Hello everyone. I'll be going over how to buy Bonk Coin on Phantom Wallet. So here you have the home screen of the Phantom Wallet. I have very little SOL, so I can only buy very little Bonk. So one way you can buy Bonk is to click on the swap icon. So here you'll see SOL and USDC to swap, which is the default. What you can do is click on USDC and type in search Bonk. So here you see Bonk at the top, which is probably the correct one. But below you see a whole bunch of other Bonk-like tokens, which are imitations or derivatives. They're not the original Bonk. Be careful of that. Make sure you're buying the right one. So with Sol and Bonk connected, you would input, since I only have like $8, 0.04 Sol, so let's say 0.03. After inputting that, it'll show how much Bonk I would receive, which is 243,000 roughly. So then you would review the order, make sure everything is okay, the fees are very low, make sure you have the right slippage you want. 0.5 is okay, I would say 0.3, and then you would swap. I'm not gonna do this, but that's what you would do. Another way to swap Bonk is to go to the navigation menu and click on Jupiter, which is what I like to use. So here you would be clicking Sol and then search Bonk. Again, make sure you're clicking the right Bonk. It's usually the top one. And as you can see here, there's a contract address. So the contract address verifies that is the right one. So this one says DEZXA PB263, which is the last 5 numbers. So how I verify this is I would go to cryptomarketcap.com. I have the app here. So on the top right hand corner, I would search Bonk. You see how there's 3 of them. It's the top one. It's number 53, ranking out of all crypto coins. So here you would click About and then click on Contracts. So you're trading on Solana. So where you see the Solana icon and name, you see how it says DEZXAZ. So if that matches what you see here at the bottom on Jupiter, then it's the correct one. So input the amount you want and go ahead and swap. I don't have mine connected here at the moment, but it's pretty much the same thing as if you were to swap within the Phantom wallet.